Okay, let's I think let me make sure that everything is good. Okay. So it looks like everything is I'm recording. Okay. So I think that what was I doing? Looks like I'm doing my let me change this. I like to look at the pretty colors. So let me change this to this color. Okay, so I'm doing the sanitary, and I have what looks like I have the 2 water closets and the 2 showers and 3 of my lavatories hooked up. I have to. So what I need to do is connect this last lavatory up to this. Looks like it's probably a 4-inch waste. So let's see how am I going to do this. Okay, so let's go to the section view and see how we can do this. So make sure, I'm sure it's locked. Okay, so it's pinned, so that's good. So we come down, looking at a section view, we come down, make sure there's no slope, and we go over, come down and go into the wall, come down into the floor. And I think that that's going to be my pipe, if I'm not mistaken. Nope, that's the wrong pipe, so it's that pipe. Okay, so I'm not going all the way out. Okay, let's go back to the section here and convert my elbow into a T or a P-trap and just go up just a little bit just to make it look nice and pretty. And so I'm gonna change this to this little spool piece to a 2-inch, okay? And go back after I select my pipe. From here, I'm gonna go back to the floor plan, change my view to a wireframe so I can select here, okay? So when we select here, I'm gonna change my slope to go down, so it's going to be about right there. Okay, so what we can do, let's rotate our section view 90 degrees counterclockwise. Okay, and let's just get in here a little tighter. I'm going to make it just a little tighter. Okay, so now gonna bring my pipe down so I can get the center of my pipe to the center of the pipe that's perpendicular to it, right? So I'm gonna draw a couple of construction lines in here. Now you can eyeball that if you want to, but usually, for me at least, when I eyeball it, it works maybe 49.8% of the time. And using this method usually works 99.8% of the time. So I'm going to continue using what works. You know, like it's kind of like when you go to a restaurant and you order something that you usually don't order, and you know that you should order what you usually order because the order that you're going to kind of experiment on that usually don't work out right, and there you spend $30 that you shouldn't have. But lesson learned, you know, you can always well, you can't take it back, right? So, but for me, this usually works for me, this method. You know, I like to just draw my construction lines or these detail lines, and from here I go back to my first plan and just drag this guy. Let's make sure, let's see what kind of fitting I have. Okay, should be a Y combination. Yeah, okay, so that's good. Cancel. I'm just gonna drag this guy onto the 4-inch. Okay, and that looks okay. Let's check our plumbing fixture count. So in here I should get, that's 10, is that right? So that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that's 10. Okay, so that's good. So now it looks like I'm going to have to adjust my my 2-inch that's coming from my two lavatories and my shower, right? So I'm going to place this view rotated clockwise 90 degrees and kind of get it right there. But I'm gonna bring this guy a little closer, draw another detail line, make it, I don't know, let's bring it closer, maybe right there, and extend that 2-inch to about right there. And then let's go into the section view and look at this guy and see what kind of procedure we're gonna do on it. Okay, so yeah, let's go down. So another, gonna do a detail line right here, escape, go back here, and what I can do, I'm gonna go out and bring it down. Element needs to be disconnected. Don't disconnect. Okay, don't disconnect. Be calm. Just cancel this and go back to a 3D view if you have one. If you don't, make one, because these guys usually come in handy. And here's my 3D view. Now it says that I need to disconnect. I'm not going to disconnect. What I need to do is select more than what I selected. So I'm going to go in and select this piece and maybe this piece, that piece, and maybe this piece. Okay, I didn't disconnect. I'm just going to select a little bit more than what Revit was, a little bit more. I think Revit just wanted me to select a little bit more of the pipe network, right? So we're back again. I'm going to go down, and I didn't disconnect. I just selected more of my pipe. Okay, and let's see. Now with that, let's extend to my pipe. Okay, and I think that with this, because it's not too much, Revit's going to allow me to scroll down a little bit more. That might be good. I'm going to keep it right there. Okay, and erase this detail line. Go over, move this guy over just a little bit, and trim it back again, right? Nothing different, nothing new, same time, same place. We're gonna go back to our floor plan and drag. That is a 2-inch, right? That's a 2-inch. Okay, that's good. Let's see if we're all adding. Make sure we're adding our fixture units, and then we can we're also keeping our tab on our fixture unit count in our schedule, because we're going to have that as part of the document. Okay, so we got 20 total. Everything is adding up. We got 4, 1, 2, 6. Looks like everything is adding up, right? This is our schedule that we need to use when we're creating these documents. Okay, just have something on file. But this is going to go on our sheet later. Where am I? What am I doing? Let's go back. Okay, so I think that 1, 2, 3, 4, everything looks good. Now, what I need to do is, let's go to a section view, because I need to connect let's call it a horizontal to my vertical. And vertical meaning, I'm going to show you what I mean by my vertical. My vertical is going to be counterclockwise. Let's tighten this guy up, okay, and go to the section. And that is my vertical. So my vertical is in the floor, it's in the ceiling space. So I have to have my wall. It's a full height wall going through the ceiling and up to the floor, because I'm using that as a cavity to go down into the first floor or go down through the first floor to the foundation, so that we can collect everything under the slab, right? So back to this guy. I think that let's just make sure that it's aligned, okay? So what I'm going to use my align tool and align one pipe to the other, okay? Let's go back to the section view, and that's sloping. Draw a pipe, but this pipe is not going to use a Y. It's going to use a sanitary T, because from the horizontal to a vertical, you use a sanitary T, right? And not a Y connection, which is in the same plane. I'm going to go back here and use a sanitary T. Let's change this guy. Where is it? Reducing sanitary T. Reducing. Where is it? Reducing vent. Nope. Reducing sanitary. I think it's this one. Because this the sanitary T PVC is probably the original. Yeah, I'm going to use this one. If it don't work, then I'll use the other one. Okay, let's go back. Okay to that, okay to that. And we can right click, draw a pipe, and we're going to go here. Yeah, okay. So that worked out okay. And again, let's check and make sure that we're counting fixtures. So we got 20 fixtures total, which is what our schedule was showing, right? Let's go back to the schedule and look at our fixture unit count. And yeah, we got total drainage fixture units total. That's what we were looking for. So we got our schedule is tight. I like that word. We like the word tight. It's tight. That's tight. So we like that because it's the same. It verifies what we see on our floor plan, right? Which is 20. Man, I don't like when it does that. Now that's still not what I was looking for. What happened? What's it doing? What happened? Something's not right. Okay, here, that's still not right. Project browser, and I don't know what's the code for getting this guy right. Let's see, is that it? Nope, that's still not it. I don't like to use it like this anyway. See, I like to use it the other way. But there's no trick to this. You just it's not intuitive at all. Or maybe it is. But it's random, man. What's going on? Why won't it? Let me change this out. Move this. Let's put it here. That's gonna go there. Bring this over. Did it work? Nope. Jesus. Now, oh my God. Man, some days are like that. You get some days that are just nice, cool. But today, well, for about, what was that, a minute? Okay, so let's go back. Now that we figured out how to, they should have a button somewhere up here that, that locks these guys in place. Maybe there is. I don't know. What am I saying? Maybe there is. Okay, where am I? Maybe I'll look at my time and see what's going on. 14 minutes. I think that I'm gonna finish with the drainage. So we have the drainage, so the next thing we're gonna do is do the vent, right? I guess I could, start on a vent. Let's do that. So I'm going to vent, but I need a place. Let's bring all the vent and collect all the vent and use this as my vent riser. So let's do that. I'm gonna bring this guy over, use that as my vent riser. Let's rotate so I can see what's going on with the with my water closet, and in terms of my vent riser, that's cold water, and the vent is down here. So we go here, make sure there's no sloping here, and we go up through the roof. I'm going to use that. Is that a 3? That's probably a 2-inch, right? It's a 2-inch, but I'm going to cap this off with a 3-inch vent, just because. Let's just put it there. Okay. And let's bring this guy. Let's here. Use my arrow keys to bring it down. Shift arrow keys will bring it down a little bit more. Okay. Let's bring it down just a little bit. Maybe right there. Okay. So that's my riser. That's my vent riser. But something's not right. See? That's on a different system. I need to put that on my vent system. It's PVC pipe, but it should be vent system. A system type, right? System type should be vent system. The pipe type is okay, but the vent, the vent should be PVC vent. Yeah. We like that. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it there and come back in the next day when I come into the office. We hope that everything is good. What am I doing here? What am I doing? Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, that's what I could see. Now we can see that that's the vent riser, and looks like everything is okay, you know. So what we can do for, let's say, the sanitary, did it break again? It broke, right? Dang. Broke, man. It keeps breaking. I don't know why. Be glad when they fix this. Dang. So this is the coordination view, but here is the plot view. First floor, second floor. I want second floor plot view. So we go here. So second floor, I think that we have an issue with the view range, right? Now, why? It looks like if I click this, it breaks. Okay, that looks good. Maybe I just need so sensitive. Gee. Okay, so I think I'm on the view range. I'm below, so maybe my view range is too high in my depth. Yeah, see that? See, the depth should be a little bit lower or less than, because it's showing right at the floor level. And I'm going to make that, I don't know, negative, let's say negative 2 feet. Okay. Yeah, okay. So that looks good. So here, what we can do is we can start labeling this. You can label. I'm going to go down another foot. -3. See what happens. Okay. Well, anyway, what we can do, we can start labeling using an annotative tag by category. And is that, yeah, that's my water closet, that's my lavatory, that's my shower, and let's not use the leader, okay? We can use the shower, lavatory, water closet. Oh, what happened? Okay, and And from here, we can reposition. Man, I don't want to select. Okay, and then grab these guys over. Did I not select? Do not select link. What is that? That's the floor. Okay. Let's look at VV. I type VV on the hotkey, and I can highlight one of these and type F, right, just to go down to the floor. And I think that if I turn off the floor, what's going to happen? Okay, that's fine. That's good. So now I can click in here, and it doesn't highlight the floor area, right? What size are these? They look big. These plumbing fixture tags. Plumbing fixture tags. Plumbing fixture tags. Plumbing fixture tag. It should give me a size. Let's go down. Plumbing fixture tag. Okay, so what is it? A family editor? I need to go there. Yeah. So we go here, and we can edit the label. Nope. I'm looking for the size. That's the same thing. I'm looking for the size. Oh, here we go. Yeah, 330 seconds. Okay. 330 seconds. That's fine. Yeah. Okay, so that's the text size. Okay, so let's close. Let's close. And I'm trying to get okay. Now, why is that? I know why that's blue. So the reason that is blue and I can't see it when I want to see it is because if I go to my options and I go to graphics, I thought that was going to be blue, but it's not. So somewhere there's another button that makes that blue. That way I can't see it. Maybe it's a default. I don't know. But anyway, this is another way we can tag using our category, right? So I can go here, tag by category. Can use, that's a 4-inch sanitary sewer. I can use a liter. I want to free in, and we can go here. We can go here, right? Go here and do the same thing here, 2-inch, 4-inch, 2-inch. Everything looks good. We can, as we go along, because I don't want to do too much because there's going to be hot water, cold water, and vent on this pipe. And so that's just wanted to show you guys. Dang, that leader arrow looks big, huh? Let's go here. Let's look at this guy. Leader line, pipe tag, arrow field, 20 degrees. What about 15? Let's move this over. Move. Okay. If I change that to 15, let's see how it looks. I'm going to apply it, and when I choose apply, it will keep me in the same environment, right? But if I choose OK, it will take me out, and I may have to go back into my type properties. So when you're uncertain about whether or not you want that setting, you can use apply, right? So it changed it. It made it thinner, a little bit thinner. I don't know. It's your preference, whatever your office standard is. I'm going to cancel and go back, edit. And use 20 degrees because I want 20 degrees and say okay, right? Okay, and I think that that's going to be it. Let's go here, and I'm going to stop it here, and I hope that helped, guys, and I'll talk to you guys later.